everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. You won't be sorry. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It really does mean the world to me. All the thumbs up, all the comments, keep them coming, makes my day. I have got something fun to show you guys. I like these little battery operated toys. Okay, wait, that didn't come out right. It is a battery operated toy, and it is Valentine's Day coming up, so if there's any guys watching, get your wives one of these. Tell them it's battery operated. We'll keep this PG. But it's a battery operated mixer. I'm not going to have to use the stir sticks all the time, I hope. This is my first trial run with it. Got it off Amazon. I think it was, I don't know, $18 or something like that. Comes with some cute little attachments like this. I don't know if you can see those with my black apron on, but I've got the one that's the stir on there right now, and when I push the button you'll see it spread out, hopefully. You see that? Totally cool. I know, I'm a nerd. Okay, so I'm going to mix up two paints right now. I got a couple of colors already picked, but I figured let's try this mixer and see how we like it. So I'm going to do 24 karat gold in here. This is about 3 ounces of Floetrol. I don't measure, I just guesstimate. This is a 5-ounce cup, so I think I'm pretty close. So let's put some 24 karat gold in here and give it a mix. And as you can see, I don't measure. Just probably a teaspoon, maybe a little more of paint. Now hopefully I don't wear this. Let's try this. I'm scared to hit the button. Oh my goodness. Definitely gave it a good mix for sure. But to me that's not enough 24 karat gold in there, so I'm going to do a little more. Or is it sitting at the bottom? Let's try once more. Oh, it's looking like it's mixed. Okay, Sandy's going to grab her stick and just check it out. That's way too creamy of a gold. Need more gold in there. Too much Floetrol. Nope. You can't go wrong with... Okay, I'm going to pull this end off. I'm going to try the other mixer, which is this guy here, and see what it does. Okay, pull my stick out. Let's give this a mix. Sounds funny. Much better cold. There we go. Okay, Sandy, don't pull it out as it's spinning. That you're gonna wear it. Okay, let me just wipe this end off. I think I'll use that one for my next color, and we'll see what it does. I definitely am quite enjoying this little gadget. Play with it a little more and we'll see what happens. But okay, let's try the purple and see. Just going to throw this in my little cup of water there so it can soak for a minute. My consistency is awesome. Totally happy with that. Okay, whoops. Always got a blooper, but I didn't spill a drop, you guys. That was a really good blooper. Okay, let's do the purple. Now this Liquid Metals acrylics by Sargent's, they're more fluid, right? So it should mix up fairly well. Let's see if that's enough. know, I don't cook or bake, so this is fun to me. Okay, my purple's looking awesome. And just pull that guy off. Throw them in the water. I'll wash those later. Got purple paint on my new mixer. 2 AA batteries. Cutest little mixer ever. And I will have a link if any of you find that to be adorable and fun and way easier to mix your paints. Look at that. Perfect consistency. Definitely hit my link in the description. And I get a tiny little commission from Amazon on a gift card to replenish some of my stocks. So get yourself a little mixer. Okay. Let's do a swipe. How about that? That's what I'm feeling like doing. I've got leftover green paint. This is a mixture of different colors. And I took it off my table from one of my paintings. So I'm going to use this minty color green as my base. Usually I already have my canvas covered by the time you guys are seeing this, so doing things a little differently today. Okay, let's put that aside for a second with the lid. Grab my Pampered Chef spatula because that's what I like to use. Just get my paints a little bit even. And if I miss any of my sides, I go over it later on. I'll do a little bit now just cause you're watching. And the little stands I have my canvas on, they're just the letter S. Greg was a sweetie and printed me off some of these off of the 3D printer. Just so I don't have to use tacks all the time. These are really easy. Okay, let me just level it out. Did put a lot of green paint on here, but that's okay. There we go. Let's just go with it. Now this is a good time to hit notification bell right beside that subscribe button, so then each time I upload a video, you'll get notified to say, hey, go check out her channel. She's just put up another art piece. Okay, let's give it a quick little torch, get the bubbles out. Okay, I'm going to put my 24 karat gold aside. So the colors I'm using are the Treasures Gold. I've got rose gold, the aquamarine, the 24 karat gold, you saw that. That's the Deco Arts Extreme Sheen. Love this stuff. I got the topaz in the Treasures Gold. We've also got the liquid metal in purple and liquid metal in the sapphire blue. I think this one is. Just says blue. Looks like a sapphire blue. So those are the colors I have pulled out. Oh yeah, the green as well, sorry. The green in the liquid metal. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to use up my green that I already have mixed up here in this little cup. And I think I'm going to go right across the top. And use it all up. Okay. Sorry, just move some of these things out of my way. Because, you know me and my bloopers, I'll knock something over. Okay, there's the purple down. Now let's get some of this liquid metal blue. And I like to do paintings that really have no rhyme or reason to it. It's just whatever comes out, comes out. Okay, then we're going to do the aquamarine color. And let's do rose gold. And then we're going to put our gold down. I think I have all my colors down. Alrighty. Now I got my white. This is Floetrol and Amsterdam's titanium white. That's my cell activator. Okay, let's give this a swipe. I'm going to start right on the edge and go all the way down. Okay, let's grab some paper towel. There we go. Now to any of you watching that got a hold of me and were lucky enough to get yourselves a split cup, they're all done printed and they're all going to be, some of them have already shipped out. There's a couple of them still left that I have to ship out that just finished. So they are on their way as promised. Okay. Let me just grab my rag. It's looking pretty so far. I think I'd want to do one more little swipe right along the edge here. Okay, let me put that aside for a sec. Give this guy a little tilt. I'm going to get it right off the edge. I want to get that white off. There we go. I'm going to turn this guy. Stretching some of my cells, which is what I like. Okay, I'm going to stop for a sec. I'm going to give it a little torch. Beautiful cells coming up on this one. I think it needs to come this way a little bit. Getting that green off the side a bit. There we go. All my corners look good. There we go. I am completely happy with that. I'm not even going to add a flower this time, you guys, which I know you like to tease me about. But look at that. Beautiful. It's going to dry beautiful. Nice little abstract, massive cells, little painting. Done in a matter of what, 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes at the most. And you got to play with my little mixer with me. All right, everybody, thanks very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm so tempted to put a flower down on this painting right now. Just gorgeous. Okay, I'll think about the flower. If I put the flower on, I'll post a picture at the end of the video. I gotta think about it. These cells are pretty awesome. Alrighty, hit the notification bell and come back and watch another video, guys. Thanks again for joining me.